What's up guys, so today we're going to be doing unboxing of the AirPods second generation. So the model that I have here is the AirPods with charging case. It does not have the wireless charging case. They are more magical than ever. Now with more talk type, voice activated Siri access, a new wireless charging case, AirPods deliver an unparalleled wireless headphone experience. Simply take them out and they are ready to use with all your devices. Put them on in your ears and they'll connect immediately, immersing you in rich, high quality sound, just like magic. The power of 24-hour battery life, AirPods deliver an industry leading 5 hours of listening time and up to 3 hours of talk time, all in one charge. And they're made to keep it up with you thanks to a charging case that holds multiple charges for more than 24 hours of listening time. Need a quick charge? Just put AirPods back into the case for 50 minutes to get out of 3 hours of listening time and 2 hours of talk time. To check the battery, hold the AirPods next to your iPhone and ask Siri, how's the battery on my AirPods? So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's open that seal. My knife here. Here's the AirPods box itself, as you can see right here. So let's open them up. Designed by Apple in California. They have got Apple stickers. Here the AirPods instruction manual. This is the instruction manual for iOS, WatchOS, iOS, and macOS. So yeah, and here is used with all the same. And here's the safety information in other languages. The 1 year limited warranty. Sadly, there's no Apple stickers. There wasn't any Apple stickers in the Apple Watch Series 4, so yeah. So let me just put them back in here. And there they are, the main star of the show, AirPods, second generation. Let's open the seal. Here's the AirPods 2 itself. It's really nice in the hand. And we do get some goodies. Lightning to USB to Lightning adapter. I mean, sorry, not adapter, cable. Okay. Here it is, the cable itself. Now 2 of these. Okay, we're done with the unboxing. Now let's set this up. Okay, so in order to set this up, I need to take the cover off and hold it next to it. Hey, there you go. AirPods. Press the connect button. And it should give us something. Yep. What is the battery on my AirPods?
Your AirPods are at 71 and AirPod case at 78%.
Then it'll show up like this. Okay, so if I remember correctly, we could change the name of the AirPods, but I think I know how to do it now. So yeah, let's play a video. Yeah, I don't know if you could hear them. Oh, when you put them, it shows like this one. So pretty smart Apple. That's why I love Apple. And when you close them, it just goes here. When you open them back, there you go. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, comment on how should I improve my video, and make sure to smack the like button. I'll catch you guys on the flip side.